Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be this fall inspired tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill Vol.2 palette in collaboration with Morphe. This is what the palette looks like. If you guys aren't familiar with this palette, this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, this is what I use today. If you guys don't have the Jaclyn Hill Vol.2 palette for whatever reason, just to let you know, it is still available for purchase. I'll have the link down below. I do have another video on my channel using the Jaclyn Hill palette, but it is also in comparison to the Changeable Fantasy palette. This is like the perfect dupe for this palette. So yeah, you guys, I can just go ahead and show you what the palettes look like together in comparison. So I'm gonna like lean back a little bit so you guys can like see what they look like together. But yeah, so obviously this is a dupe and it's pretty much in the same like color layout as the original. So yeah, you guys, if you would like to see those two palettes in comparison to each other, then I will go ahead and link up that video above. But for now, you can go ahead and continue to enjoy this video. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have to say. If you guys like this look, then just continue to watch to see how I created it, and I will see you in my next one.